You know, every once in a while, something shows up quietly that changes the way you work without screaming for your attention. Today, we're unboxing something that fits right into the rare category. This is the Anker Prime 14-to-1 Thunderbolt 5 docking station. And if you're even remotely serious about building a clean, powerful desk setup, this little box just became a part of the conversation. Anker didn't flood this with marketing buzzwords. What they made was a quiet powerhouse, Thunderbolt 5, up to 120 gigabits of transfer speed, 8K dual setup, 140 watt charging, all packed into a single beautiful design cube. Let's get inside. So first impressions, it's dense. It feels engineered, not manufactured. And at just 2.5 pounds, it's got a real presence without being overbuilt. The finish is this premium metallic gunmetal that would look just as good next to a MacBook Pro as it would with an Alienware 18. So the port situation, you're getting two Thunderbolt 5 downstream ports, two USB-C ports, three USB-A ports, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, an ST and TF card readers, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, you pick, audio jack, and the Thunderbolt 5 upstream port for your laptop. Basically, if you can't connect this, you probably don't need this. All right, so you have a Thunderbolt 5 cable that comes with it. They've included a Thunderbolt 5 cable, which is a huge because certified cables are still hard to find and stupidly expensive. But here's where things get interesting. Thunderbolt 5 isn't just a little faster than Thunderbolt 4, it's seismic. You can move a 150 gigabit file in 25 seconds. That used to be the kind of thing that you needed RAID arrays and enterprise servers to even dream about. And for displays, we're talking 8K at 60 Hz, or dual 8K monitors if your laptop supports it. Perfect for content creators, developers, designers, or if you just want to flex a little while you're browsing Reddit. There's a satisfying click to the power button. And this subtle blue LED ring around the top, it's not just decoration. It ties into the active cooling system inside, which quietly kicks in when the dock's under heavy load, keeping your workspace quiet and your tech cool. Now let's be clear about this. This isn't for everyone. If you're just plugging in a mouse and a keyboard, you don't really need this. But if your desk is your command center, your studio, your server, your creative shop, This dock doesn't just tidy up your cables, it levels up the whole experience. You know, for me, what makes this special isn't the spec, it's the philosophy. Anker didn't design this as an accessory. They built it like a foundation, something you can set once and trust to quietly power everything around it for years. So that's the Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 dock. Not flashy, not shouting for your attention, just serious capability built for people who are serious about what they do.